Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito like a pro, ensuring every sip is perfectly balanced and refreshing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of quality white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and 2 to 3 ounces of chilled club soda. Having these ready is the first step to a truly exceptional drink. Now for the crucial step of muddling. Place your 10 to 12 mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into a sturdy mixing glass. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients about 3 to 5 times. Remember, the aim is to release the fragrant oils from the mint and juice from the lime, not to tear the leaves or pulverize them. Over-muddling can introduce unwanted bitterness, so be gentle. With your muddled mint and lime ready, it is time to build the drink. Pour in 2 ounces of your chosen white rum, followed by 1 ounce of fresh lime juice and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Next, fill your glass completely with crushed ice. This not only chills the drink, but also provides the perfect dilution. Give it a good stir for about 15 seconds to ensure all the flavors are well integrated. Finally, for the grand finale, top your mojito with 2 to 3 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds a delightful fizz and lightens the drink. For a professional touch, gently clap a fresh mint sprig between your hands to release its aroma, then tuck it into the glass. Add a lime wheel to the rim for an elegant finish. Serve your perfectly crafted mojito immediately and savor its invigorating taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.